What's up, y'all? About to show you guys how long I've been slacking. I had this lip in my backyard for hella months and it got hella dusty. Picked up my whole interior. Look at that. Yeah. Went to the store real quick, copped some paint. So we went with just one can of medium charcoal metallic, original Ford colors, and then just some clear.
I'll pull some out.
Could have sworn.
Might be able to pull it out.
Oh yeah, yeah, doesn't look sick.
Magic.
All right, guys. Step one: sand.
So we're just gonna use 600 grit, and that's gonna be our finisher. But it's good enough to rough up the polyurethane so that the paint will stick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet everything.
We'll get back to you guys once we're done with the sanding. I'm gonna have to file a complaint for this. Unacceptable. Unacceptable. I forgot how much I bought it for, but I'll put the link down.
$100?
Yeah, around there probably.
Okay. That's how cheap, bro. Let's go mock it up.
Yeah.
Oh my nose.
What? Looks kind of weird. I gotta buck up these holes.
Yeah.
Brian is the paint master, guys. Light coats.
The first coat you want to be super light so that the second coat should stick onto it even better.
Alright guys, this is mandatory if you're gonna paint a lip. You gotta have a bag of these. Now we can just go buy the other can of paint. And do what with it? Do a light layer on it.
Would that work?
Alright y'all, we're gonna go for some more paint in the EP3. BRB.
Good, what?
Yeah, good.
Here, let me do a
POV. Hella uncomfortable? Wait, I need to get over here.
Damn.
Why are you so close?
Go. Nope. What's it look like?
Silver.
It's looking good. We mocked it up really quick, and we saw that it was missing clear, obviously, but now we're gonna go over it with clear so that this silver could match the finish on that, because that's obviously a lot more glossy as the clear over it, and this doesn't. So we're gonna bury it in about like 3-4 coats just to match that finish, and we'll get back once it's done.
All right guys, Brian just applied the second layer of clear coat. It's looking pretty glossy now.
Oh, the silent generation.
Don't we have the same camera? Sorry.
Dude, that shit looks
Back up.
good.
Oh, hold on. It does look hella good. Alright y'all, we're back a couple days later. Peep this queue in the making. But yeah, we're about to install it. This is how the paint turned out. Looks pretty similar to the car.
All right, so we have the lip all lined up and ready to install. So we're gonna start with drilling a little hole so that our self-tappers could go into it. Okay, there's one.
It's like a shade darker.
It's like more yellow.
Oh yeah, a shade yellower. Let us know down in the comments below. Lip on or off? It looks sick though. See if Brian scrapes. Now you're good.
Turn your lights off. Oh yeah.
not sure which I like more, but either way, it's pretty simple to put on and off, just 4 screws. So the first can that we used was a shade too dark, but after that, we used this, and it seemed to be the closest match. But at the end of the day, these are Ford colors, or GM colors, so they're not gonna be a perfect match. But yeah, let us know what we should do. Should we keep the lip on or take it off? Just polish up the headlights real quick. Just want to show you guys one last combo on the Teggy. Looks pretty dope. I think I'm rocking like this for a while. Let me know what you guys think looks best. Should I take off the lip, the hood bra, or everything? I don't know. But thanks for sticking all the way till the end. Since we're here, might as well show you guys what's next for the Teggy. This just came in the other day. Little Yonaka exhaust. So yeah, next vid on the Integra should be an exhaust install. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Yeah, it should sound pretty dope with this. This is what Mig has on his EP3. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to check out the exhaust install. Should look dope, should sound dope. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.